Alright, so our main whatever is making sure I'm gonna look at the camera.
We look snug as a bug in a rug, I'll tell you that.
Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. The crazy bitch is back. We are gonna do the no mirror makeup challenge. One of my subscribers, Clarissa, she requested that we do this video, so we're like, why not? Let's do it. Yeah, let's do it. Never done like a challenge like this on my channel, so I'm like, let's do it. Let's do it. You ready?
I'm ready.
I'm ready. So if you would like to see this mess, then keep on watching. Okay, so
let's begin. Primer.
Alright. I'm gonna spray. I'm gonna prime, even though it's coming off. How do you think you're gonna do?
You know, I think I'm gonna do great. I think I'm gonna come out on top.
No, that's good.
Yeah.
Okay. Foundation.
Okay.
The pump on my foundation sucks. Oh god, I have no effing idea how much foundation is coming out of here. Why do I feel like I have a pound of concealer on my face?
Yes, you do. I bet.
Is it bad? Is it a lot? Is it? Your face looks crusty. It does. It looks a little.
Yours isn't faring much better. Okay. Jesus. You crusty bitch. This is going swimmingly. I don't know if you can tell.
I licked my.
I was about to set concealer that I didn't put on. So, just want you to know that.
Okay, I've been blending this concealer. It has to be blended in.
Hopefully. This is good. I feel like that's the proper amount. I can see in my peripheral your powder just going everywhere.
Okay. I think I'm set.
I'm trying to look for clues in my face. I'm not giving it to you.
Okay, I think I'm set. Ooh.
So I've been thinking about starting my own.
There you go. There you go. Whatever.
I've been thinking about starting my own YouTube channel. Jesus! My own YouTube channel.
What's your?
And you know what it's gonna be?
What?
It's gonna be silent finger puppet shows. I already ran this by somebody who thinks it's a great idea. So it's gonna be a tale, a tale of Francesca fingers. And she does this, and I can make her little outfits and stuff, and like her best friend is Tammy Thumbs, and they both like.
There's no mirror in that.
They both like this guy named Felipe Phalanges.
Oh, I just went on my eyebrow for sure.
It'd be like a soap opera.
A soap opera with fingers.
Yeah. I've expertly set my eyes.
Looks great.
Thanks. Try me some purple.
Huh?
Try me some purple. How do you feel about that?
Ooh, that's pretty jelly.
Jelly?
Okay. Then I've got to be blended.
Okay.
I've got to be. I feel like I'm doing fairly well.
I'm certain this is very pigmented, but like, I just keep putting it on. More and more. More and more.
Ah, there's something in my eye. I can't look to see if
Don't
there is
look.
and make sure
Don't
there's
you
not.
Look.
Okay, I think.
Her stomach just growled so loud.
And I just ate. Yeah.
This is fine.
Gold time.
I'm sure that I look like I got beat up, and that's alright. I see your jaw drop.
That looks great. I think my finger's actually working really well. Because I can like feel where my eyelid is and everything. Oh, we're not drunk this time.
Oh, we're sober.
We're sober.
Yeah.
Shockingly. Surprisingly.
And you should know that the last time after our drunk get ready with me, where we were going to a rehearsal dinner, because that was wise. I ended up with
Wedding rehearsal dinner.
Yeah, wedding rehearsal dinner. But I ended up with cheesecake in my hair.
Why?
Somebody couldn't get to me, so she could punch me in the head. She couldn't reach me, so we were being separated.
Yeah, we were being separated.
We were being separated, and she could not get to me, so she threw cheesecake at my head.
Yeah.
And my uncle says she looked like a rooster running around
The parking lot.
the parking lot with her hair.
My hair was badass.
That braid
Was badass.
It was great, but you look like a
I will
rooster.
link that drunk Get Ready With Us down below. You have to check that out.
That was not a joke. Like, I think we accidentally got it too drunk.
You know what's funny about that video, though, that I find funny? You can see the progression of our drunkenness through the video. Like, in the beginning of the video, like, you could tell we've been drinking, but, like, as the video progresses, the more and more drunk we get,
You see that glaze come over our eyes?
Oh, dude, my eyes were gone. My eyes were drunk in the beginning.
It was a piece of art, you know? And the fact that we functioned upright for the rest of the night was...
Kind of.
Mostly.
And I met one of my husband's coworkers for the first time ever.
Oh my gosh, that
She
was
probably
so
thinks-
embarrassing. She thinks we're psychos. It's a beautiful two-tone look you're going for.
I'm going... I'm gonna do a cattail.
Cattail time!
Cattail time. Are you gonna do a cattail?
I don't even remember what I've done. Hell yeah, I'm doing a cattail. I'm doing a cattail right now.
Let's do cattails together.
Alright. Yep.
Wow. That's sanitary.
Alright, you ready?
I'm ready.
Alright, let's do it. God!
My stomach!
You were digesting.
My bowels are moving!
We had Chipotle.
It's like, you know, we're concentrating.
Oh, yeah. Alright.
What?
Sorry.
I'm mid cattail. I did that last flick of a wrist. Mail's here.
Here's
It's
the
mail.
mail. It never fails.
Something's-
Makes me wanna wag my tail. When it comes, I wanna wear mail.
God, we're old. Okay, now what? Lashes.
Yeah.
It's under everything. I have heartburn. Okay, that's not on at all. Where is it? There it is.
Oh, great.
Oh,
Oh my god. It's like starting halfway on the opposite side of my eye.
I hope that's not bad.
Look how far over.
No, not at all.
Really?
Uh-uh.
Okay. Yours is pretty good too.
Oh no. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Watch your Family Guy. Stewie. Uh-oh.
Uh-oh.
Uh-oh. Brian! There's something under the fridge that's like sticky. It's like, Brian! We're gonna have ants! My eye's watering, which means my...
Oh, you're screwed.
Uh-oh. Oh no.
Christy!
I didn't mean to do that. That's a lot of glue. I hate making that stupid face. When you do mascara, like... Yeah! Yeah, that face! I never bake that long. I don't even know why I do that. Okay, time to contour. It's so weird not knowing how much I'm putting.
You have a very aggressive contour.
Is it that loud?
It's like really aggressive.
I feel like flakes of skin is... Oh no, that's my brush. Okay, let's calm it down.
Alright.
I feel like you do your makeup faster when you're not looking. Do you?
Yeah. Since you're not like trying to fix everything, you know.
Maybe that's what it is. Okay, highlight.
Okay.
I feel like I could go maybe a little crazy with it, and is it gonna matter? Or even like if you mess up, as long as you get it in the vicinity.
Yeah.
Oh god. Oh.
Did you find them?
I don't know, and then I'm afraid it's like gonna go up. Oh, this is gonna be bad. Thanks for being quiet for me so I can concentrate. Okay, locking it in.
Lock it in. Lock it all in.
Okay. Alright, you ready?
No, I'm not ready.
You're gonna be impressed with yourself.
Oh yeah?
Well,
You're
you
not.
have like fuzz all up. Well, you can get it. 1, 2, 3.
I'm gonna pull my eyelashes off.
Oh my cattails. My eyebrow!
That's what I was waiting for.
My base makeup.
I look alright.
girl,
Okay. I mean, I look like a lady of the night, but
Yeah. Well, your lash ain't even on half the way over there.
well, poking me in the
And
cornea is not gonna help.
You have 2 cattails.
I have a number of cattails.
You haven't. I have one extremely
This one ain't bad.
crooked. No, that one ain't bad. Look at this. Look at my cattails. Where was I going? Where are they going? They.
Okay.
Wow, the eyebrows are atrocious. The eye makeup isn't as bad as I thought it was gonna be.
Dude, mine's pretty legit.
Your eye makeup looks not bad. Your base makeup doesn't look bad other than your crusty. So this is it. I hope you guys liked this video. I thought it was gonna be way worse. Way worse than
I thought
it
it was gonna be a disaster.
So, but this is it. If you liked this video, please give me a thumbs up, and subscribe. I'd really appreciate it. And I will see you on my next one. Thanks for watching,
Bye.
guys.